Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Siri voice search on Apple TV to find content quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions for hands-free navigation and discovery. Step 1. Ensure your Apple TV is set up and connected to your network, and that Siri is enabled in settings under General and Siri. Step 2. Pick up your Siri remote and press and hold the Siri button, which is typically the microphone button on the side or top of the remote. Step 3. Wait for the Siri interface to appear at the bottom of your TV screen, indicated by colorful waveforms that respond to your voice. Step 4. Speak your search query clearly, such as "Find action movies" or "Show me movies with Tom Hanks," or simply say the title of what you want to watch. Step 5. Review the search results displayed on screen, which show available content across all your installed streaming apps and services. Step 6. Use additional voice commands to refine your search, such as "Only show free content" or "Movies from 2020" to narrow down options. Step 7. When you see content you want to watch, say "Play," followed by the title name, or use your remote to select the item manually. Step 8. Explore Siri's other features, such as sports scores, weather, or content recommendations by asking questions while watching or browsing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.